Itel has launched its new budget-friendly phone under a series in India called Itel A50, with dynamic bar feature for viewing notifications and other information. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Itel A50 features a 6.6-inch HD Plus display, with a standard 60Hz refresh rate support, and it has a large 90% screen-to-body ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by octa-core Uni SoC T603 chipset, paired with Mali G57MP1 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 3 or 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of onboard storage, with microSD expansion support. As per the camera, the Itel A50 sports a dual camera setup on the rear that includes an 8-megapixel main camera, along with the unspecified auxiliary lens. For selfies, it has 5-megapixel camera under the water drop notch at the top center. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 10 watts charging support, and it runs on Android 14 out of the box under Go Edition. Additionally, the smartphone also features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 163.5 by 75.5 by 8.3 millimeters, and it weighs around 186 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Itel A50 has been priced in India for 3GB plus 64GB storage variant at 6,099 Indian rupees, while the 4GB plus 64GB storage option is priced at 6,499 Indian rupees. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in misty black, shimmer gold, cyan blue, and lime green color options. So, what do you guys think of this Itel A50 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.